Biggie. Brand new.
What's up, man?
It's all about me.
Yeah.
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 Gangsta shit. Everything fresh on me, I'm on my money lane. Now I just squeeze the hive and let the honey get the sun again. All sides, fence side grip, I'm being a hurricane. Swinging the southpaw, so dog quick. Rappers on the top, natty now, let them all stick. You flow too whack, man. Never form sick, I'm speeding readies on the microphone. Dog sick, at the end for the head, not the waste bullet. She can't talk to me, man, so no waste regret. Formula 1 speak up, brace yourself. If street feel me, na pace I set. The biggest shine on TOP, I'm DOPE. Call it Mickey Mouse, still OP. I'm OG, but still okay. Respect to the street and who believes in me, huh? It's all about me, baby. Yeah, it's all about me,
baby.
Come on, it's all about me, nigga.
Yeah.
It's all about me,
baby.
Life too short, so make it a palabo. The rich, snitch and the jam found a go so me own case so different cause me na God's own. Too much love like dog with symbol. Me na hustler man, call me chance, call me only priority na for make me do. Make me way and put me family pampo. First lady thing man. Boss Rambo, the hate and the bakes, I don't let go. And I still keep the faith. Never say no, never too late. So make a life hope you know. Overtaking is allowed, chill, I in control. Biggie, that's not my name. And see you know now, say, na me get the game. And the bar she way up on, na me and the blame. Come on, listen, na me get the game. Yeah, it's all about me. Come on, it's all about me, nigga.
Get him.
It's all about I was born with this game in me. So you punk ass bitches stop hating me. Sit down, relax and learn from the mommy. Not ever disrespect the real mommy. Yeah, I can see man them funny. They get right for talk but you laugh, see you funny. But when you do the same, like catastrophe, like say me na dog enough for feel free. You did not see but not feel free. Too many accusations, even though you're not guilty. It don't say we against black, no doubt. So not give a heck what the man them talk about. And it's on like merry go round. I too busy man with me hustle around. God is good to me, I really live for talk I'm loud. Money per issue, you don't come for feds for crown. It's all about the money man. Yo, it's all about me. It's all about me, nigga. All about me. Yeah, man.
Hip hop all over.
Yeah, man.
DJ Alias. Hip hop all over. DJ Alias.
Yeah, man.
Biggie.
Yeah, man.
I love it. You know, for the fans that out there, you know, when I don't miss a wonderful performance, you know, by like live performance where they see, you know, Biggie to perform this.
Yes,
but me don't be blessed for see Biggie ready to perform this song now. Me don't be blessed, so that's another one. So Biggie, now we like don't perform the song, we don't do the song. You know, somebody be say like way to drop freestyle. You say like way to drop freestyle. You want to do for me another one?
Okay.
This is a popular over, Biggie, you know that. This is a popular over. The fans that love freestyle.
This is not for the fans then, right?
Yeah.
Take this.
Yeah.
Life too short to make you the palabo. The witch, snitch and the Jan fauna go so. Me own case so different cause me na God's own. Too much love like dog with him bone. Me na hustler man, call me chanchko. Me only priority na for make me do. Make me wait and put me family pampo. First lady thing man. Boss Rambo, the hate and the baits, I don't let go. And I'll still keep the faith. Never say no, never too late. So make an life, hope you know. Overtaking is allowed, chill, I they in control. Biggie, that's not my name. Until you know now, say, na me get biggie. And the bar she way apple, na me the blame. Come on, they say, na me get the game. Yeah, man.
Listen,
yeah, man.
Another one. This will say another one. Yeah. But it's all good. I like that. I like that. It's all good. Biggie. Make I just do the listeners them the big favor way like they send a message. Make us see. Somebody just hit me saying, DJ Elias, I love the hip hop lover. Biggie Shine, you killing it. This one come up from James of New England Film. And number one say, good evening, DJ Elias. Hip hop lover is always on fire. Biggie just bless it again with the freestyle. Thank you, Biggie Shine, for blessing us with that performance. I like it, DJ Elias. I see another one say, good day, DJ Elias. I love hip hop lover. It's the best in town. Always want to listen to this show. Thanks, DJ Elias, for bringing Biggie Shine back to the hip hop lover. This one come up from Sorry. Send me that message. Another one say Chris. Crispy send me that message and say DJ Elias, hip hop lover is on fire. Biggie Shine, I love your freestyle. I love your song. Thank you. Keep it up. And I take two more. This one say, good evening, DJ Elias, the biggest boss with the biggest mama, Biggie. Long time not hear from you. This is Cathy texting from Duazak City. Big it up. Thank you very much. Another one say, big up DJ Elias, transporter, the king of Ascension Town, aka High Voltage, filling the hip hop lover show. Thank you very much, Biggie. It's like the fans they still they with you. The fans they still appreciate what you do. You know what you want to say to the fans then?
Well, I don't want to show love, say one love to all the fans. They all want to appreciate the song. Go on my YouTube page and subscribe to my channel and watch the video. Then that will do me a lot of good. And also the assurance, I say I get big things in store. I get collections of style, not only hip hop. Maybe my next song will be different. So now watch out. Every song that come out with a video till next year. So now watch out, Biggie. I'm back, as I said earlier, and I'm back for good, Elias.
Wow,
yes,
that's a huge package. Every song with a video, that's a big package. That's a huge one. That's a huge one. Biggie, with a roundup now, but don't say like we open the phone line, but just like we premiere the song for the fans to listen to the song. We come to the temple, like open the phone and get the views of the fans. We will do that in the public. So the next songs we get for comeback.
Yeah, sure.
We will look forward to that. Okay. So what you want for roundup? What you want for tell fans? What you for expect next from Biggie?
Well, when I expect greatness from Biggie, and I will get also featuring. I will do a lot of featuring with a lot of big stars. Then I also expect that. I want to send a shout out to all my loyal fans. Them the one that will be the tell me for why the one maybe they ask questions when they see me and still they ask so many questions. I say love to all, and special one to all the fans and the tree planting, the Duazal, the New England, the Goddard,
Biggie Shine,
all everybody.
Hold on. I go up to say the Duazal, the New England, or Smile Tongue, tree planting. It's like now your base. Now your base. That's how you go for.
Where's that they call him? No, yeah, from the Duazal Junction to go Duazal, the Belia Park, Model Junction, the Leicester Road. And on my side, if I go there, if you see me there, if you say you go visit me at the chief.
Which is good, good. You know, they say no place like home.
Yeah, sure.
No place like home. So you be the roundup now. You be the roundup.
Yeah, so like as I be say, shout out to all them zone then special one to the Brooklyn City.
Wow.
Brookfield. I don't forget to know when I get me back also. And to everybody in the Freetown City and to my family, friends, the one that always support me from scratch. And I watch out. I'm not going for disappointment. I'm not going for loss again. I'm not going for go again for so long. No way. I'm not going for be again. I don't cancel. I'm not going for see me around. I'm not going for see me on the streets, the clubs, every side when I turn. I'm not going for see Biggie Shine. Alright? So now watch out.
Okay. Well, fans, that's Biggie Shine. Biggie, want to say thank you very much for you taking your time again. Come to Hip Hop Lover. We can talk to the fans today.
Yeah, thank you, and special one for you, DJ Elias. I'm probably DJ, they always sit down. Like I call you no more, you say Biggie for no, and I get the studio anytime. Like special one for you, and special one for Mega Juice. I know I get DJs that we really did down. Of course, BBC, na Sky, Mega Juice, na Mercury. Of course, special one for you. Show love, one of the real youth man DJ them. Shout out, I expect 100%.
I appreciate that. I appreciate. Well, that was Biggie Shine, Biggie Mama. Be to talk to the fans, then be to talk to people and say she's back. I'm back in the game and I'm back for good. I'm ready at any time. So expect more from Biggie Shine. But I'm gonna play this brand new song again from Biggie Shine, aka Biggie Mama, All About Me. Listen to the song. I'll be back again, and it's DJ Elias. This is Hip Hop Lover.